Green. Green.
Mason.
Green.
You're green.
And you're red.
Justin!
You see, it's not my fault that they don't update the graphics. You know, they can check on mine. Takedown red?
Yeah. Stop the clock.
I heard some other's whistle. I thought it was somebody else's whistle.
Two green.
Two reversal. Okay. And she keeps it up too. I like her better. You still haven't brought us her water. Did it start already? Okay. Out of bounds, right? So then we're gonna go back to 20, and then it'll be Alex and this guy.
You can do anything. You want to be here? See her? What's the phone number? It's okay. You coach.
No? Any points? No? Okay. Queen's choice. Well, he's not next, but he probably thinks he's next. Two.
So we were right.
Just stop it. Who took it?
Green.
Green.